Good morning, everybody. This is Victor here at CryptoTrendline.com, and it's time again for that daily overview of the cryptocurrency market. What you're currently looking at is our website. Go ahead and register on it so you can join our Telegram groups. We do have two Telegram groups. One's absolutely free, that's the news group. And all the news that we'll discuss in a couple of minutes are already posted there, so join that one and you can always be on top of the latest cryptocurrency news. The other channel, however, is a paid channel, but this is where we will release our signals regarding the price movements of certain coins and our ICO research that we're thinking of investing in projects, so you can invest in those projects too. We've done a short statistics this morning, and it turned out that from all the signals we've released so far, it's 23 signals. 10 signals are still ongoing, and from the rest of the signals we managed to gain 210% profit. That's right, and that's just in a couple of months. So very profitable. Go ahead, sign in and join, and we would also do your portfolio for you if you so wish. So the best thing to do would be just to give us a shout. All our contact details are in the description of this video. So that being said, please bear in mind this is not financial advice. We're all just cryptocurrencies enthusiasts and specialists. If you're looking for financial advice, contact your financial advisor. So moving onwards to the coin market cap, a bit of a red day. Everything's a bit down, but again, nothing major. Would still consider this a healthy correction, and things are all down because obviously people are waiting to see what will happen on the 11th, because there's a big news on what will happen on the SEC conference. It's the 50th anniversary conference that will take place in Colorado, when they will discuss securities, and probably they will discuss if Ethereum should be considered as a security, which will be huge, and everybody's waiting to see what will happen there. But apart from that, overall market cap, we're still above 400 billion, so that's good. 418 to be precise. Bitcoin at about $9,000 level, and Ethereum at 722. It almost reached $800, you remember, just recently, but this is the news about the conference that people are expecting. You see, the topics will be SEC enforcement, current issues and trends, and regulated entities, and cryptocurrency issues in securities enforcement. So this is really the highlight. We'll all be waiting to see what will happen on Friday. Apart from that, are you ready for the huge news? And when I'm saying huge, this is really enormous. New York Stock Exchange, it's not about planning a Bitcoin futures market. They are planning of opening a proper crypto exchange. And if you all just take a minute to let that sink in, this is really huge. This is recognition that cryptos are here to stay. This is great for the industry. So amazing news, as I said, already posted in the news channel. So this one definitely is amazing, and it is good for cryptos, as well as the next one that's really good for Bitcoin, because what actually is happening is that the Lightning payments with the Lightning network is getting better and better. You know, it will be a long process. It'll take some time, but once all the programmers perfect this, it will be great, and it'll give Bitcoin advantage over pretty much all the other coins. Because the thing is that what they said is one day it will be good enough for exchanges, and one day it will be good enough for Amazon. And if this happens, definitely the sky's the limit for Bitcoin. So more good news. And another news related to what we discussed yesterday. You remember Bill Gates said that if he can short his Bitcoin, he'll definitely do so, but it's just the liquidity is not that great. What happened actually is Taylor Winklevoss tweeted directly to Bill Gates saying, "Dear Bill Gates, there is an easy way to short Bitcoin. You can short Bitcoin at CBOE, or Bitcoin USD features contract, and put your money where your mouth is." So well done. Obviously not a great turn of events for Bill Gates, because obviously they're trying to manipulate the price and doing some games, and you know, because as easily manipulative as crypto market is at the moment, I think things are getting better with each and every day, because more people are coming into the industry, and it's a decentralized industry, so it will be harder and harder for the big players to manipulate the prices. I'm not saying they won't be able to, because they currently are doing this, but at some point probably manipulations will be excluded. Fingers crossed, that will be good. And that being said, we'll move on to the technical analysis charts, as we do every day. First one's Bitcoin upside potential. What you're currently seeing is we are at support levels at about $9,000, and what we're looking at, if we bounce from here, major resistance 9,500. We were happy to use this as support for a little while, but that broke down. So this is the first resistance, and then if we push through it, probably we'll reach about $1,100, which will be good. The other way around, if we fall down, next support at 7,800, and then just above 7,000, but I really don't think things will turn out this way. Anyways, you never know, but most probably it's an upside potential, and Bitcoin is gonna go up from this point onwards. Next, Ethereum. The graphics is pretty much the same as yesterday, nothing new to add, really looking at that $700 support level. If we reach it, we'll probably shoot back up, test 840 and continue to $900. And if not, the next support we're looking at will be at about $640. Again, everything depends on the news on Friday. Will SEC come up with an announcement? Will they just postpone it again and say, oh no, we'll look further into this and give you the news on a later date? No one knows, but still Friday is a very important day. And last but not least, what we'll look into is OMG, because OMG, looking at the short-term potential, if we continue falling down and if we reach the $13 as support, there will be another rally, and it'll probably test $20 again. So, but we just need to see if we'll bounce off the $13 support, and if OMG breaks through the support of $13, next support it's looking at, it's probably at about $9 to $10. But we'll see how things go. We'll monitor this at every given point in time. When we see a potential signal, we'll always release it in our signals group, so don't forget to join those. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to enjoy life, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers and bye bye.